So, currently there's a typhoon here in the Philippines. I don't know what's the name. Wait, I'll just check. I'll just get the memo. Okay, so it's a tropical depression. Opong. Here it is. And yeah, I just cannot really leave the condo. Well, I can because hindi naman umuulan ng grabe. And parang yung hangin, parang okay naman siya. Pero it's a typhoon for a reason or it's a tropical depression for a reason, right? So baka biglang lumakas yung ulan or yung hangin. We don't really know. Well, kagaya ng crush mo, so unpredictable. Unpredictable. I actually wanna get a coffee so bad. And yeah, I drink coffee on a daily basis, like 3 to 4 times a day. So without coffee, I might just die. Okay. So I will actually attempt to go out right now. Wala naman sinabi sa memo na you can't go out. Sabi lang nila, beware of, wait, like power interruptions. Pero parang may generator naman. So that's fine. Kailangan lang close your windows before leaving. Be sure to have adequate food supplies, medicines, and batteries. Well, parang wala akong enough supplies. So, because I always eat out, I don't even cook here sa condo. So, I don't know how am I gonna survive the typhoon. Pero okay lang yan. Parang hindi naman super lakas. May nakita kasi akong parang nag-open na pick up coffee. Malapit lang dito. And gusto ko sanang puntahan. Like, walkable lang siya. Walkable? Just wanna, like, go for a walk to pick up coffee. Yeah, kasi yun yung name eh, pick up coffee. I don't really know if I want to go out and take the challenges. Wow. Or take the leap of faith. Ang OA. By the way, guys, this is just a fit for today. This is just a Uniqlo waffle handy, and then super cute, like a marble sweatpants. And then, of course, the limited Dunkin tote bag from Bjorn Wusok's fan meet, which is really cute. And there's Anik Anik here, and there's a BYS. Oh no, BWS charm. BYS, it stands for Bjorn Wusok. Well, I'm gonna show you my very cute Adlet. So, oh, it's so dirty, but don't mind it. This is the Adlet XLG version 2. Meron kasi siyang like fabric. Ewan ko ba? Basta meron siyang ganyan. Yan yung itsura nung V2 nung XLG, which is so unique. Well, I don't know if sa Hong Kong meron ito. Pero bagyo rin sa Hong Kong ngayon. So I don't know if you can get one. I'm actually gonna leave now. Bye, guys. It's I cannot leave my phone though. I forgot to turn off the lights and lock the door. We're gonna go now. Leaving on a jet plane. Don't know when I'll be back again. So cold. Leaving on a jet plane. Guys, look at the clouds. The weather is really unpredictable and we don't know what's gonna happen. But yeah, let's overcome the weather today and grab some coffee because we have no really choice. Parang ang daming tao outside. Life goes on talaga. Living on a jet plane. So, we made it here sa Pick Up Coffee. Well, walkable naman talaga siya eh. I really wanna get the sea salt matcha but hindi available so pistachio latte na lang as recommended. Tama na lang. Thank you. Pick up, ma. Hey guys, so we finally got the coffee. Actually, this is already the take two because earlier I forgot to turn on my mic, so I was just like a dummy. And yeah, we finally got the pickup coffee. I got the sea salt oat milk latte, and it's really good. And actually, I'm so shy filming in public, but I'm overcoming it. Also overcoming the typhoon, right? Well, I don't really care anymore. I don't know, but it really tastes so good. Because sometimes you're really blinded by hunger and you think na masarap talaga yung food or yung coffee, pero no. It's also the same with people. Well, like I said, on that note, it's also the same with people. When you're really craving attention so much or you're so lonely, you think that whoever gives you like attention or love bombs you, you think that the person really cares for you in a genuine level when actually it's not. You're just lonely. And yeah, that's so sad. Well, I don't know. Have you ever experienced that being love bombed by someone when you're so lonely and sad and then someone comes your way and show you or shower you with all the attention, with all the love, and you think that person really cares for you on a genuine level? That's just love bombing, guys. It's not real love. I don't know if I don't have the same experience though. Feeling ko ako yun. Ako yung nang love bomb. Wow. Well, not really. It's bad. It's bad to love bomb people. But I don't think na love bombing siya. Because what if you really care for that person at first, pero people change kasi based on circumstances? Well, scientifically speaking, people don't change, but circumstances does. So you can't really blame people for changing kasi not all the time they have the same situation. Because in life, we have so much or we have to deal with a lot of aspects. Like, for example, financially, physically, pati yung health problems, family problems. Tapos, you will find someone that you love pero hindi mo alam kung ano yung situation niya at home or at work. So, we really cannot judge. And even though you're in a relationship, you're still your own person. Kasi yun ako eh, if ever I'm in a relationship, gusto ko we are still separate from each other. We're still busy doing our separate things in life. Kasi wag mong gawing mundo yung tao lang, if that makes sense. Because at the end of the day, only you got your back and only you can provide you the life that you really want. Make sure not to depend really on other people kasi if wala na sila, 'di ba? If that makes sense. I'm not romanticizing single life, pero dun na rin papunta yun siguro. Well, I am romanticizing single life because I love to be alone but not lonely. And I'm not really afraid or I'm not really shy to eat alone, go on coffee shops alone, go on a date with myself. I think it's really necessary to do that because how could you give love to someone if you don't even love yourself? How could you give something you do not have, right? So make sure to love yourself first before you go into a relationship. Or you're not really capable of loving someone if you don't even love yourself.